Microsoft Disk Operating System, MS-DOS. The Microsoft Disk Operating System, MS-DOS, is an operating system developed for PCs with x86 microprocessors. It is a command line-based system, where all commands are entered in text form and there is no graphical user interface. MS-DOS was the most commonly used member of the family of disk operating systems. It was the main choice as an operating system for IBM PC-compatible computer systems during the 1980s to mid-1990s. MS-DOS was gradually replaced by systems with graphical user interfaces, particularly Microsoft Windows. MS-DOS was originally called 86DOS. It was written by Tim Pattison, considered the father of DOS, and owned by Seattle Computer Products. Microsoft bought 86DOS for $75,000, licensed the software and released it with an IBM PC as 1.0 in 1982. MS-DOS was originally designed to run on any computer with an Intel 8086 processor. But the various hardware versions on these computers made compatibility difficult. As a result, Microsoft provided hardware equipment manufacturers with a development kit that could be used to tune the MS-DOS operating system for the computer's specific hardware. As a result, there were many versions of MS-DOS. There were also compatibility issues with MS-DOS and IBM, where some machines were compatible with MS-DOS but not IBM. These computers could only run programs that were written for MS-DOS and did not depend on any of IBM's peripheral architecture. Command is an instruction written in a computer-acceptable language that user types on the DOS prompt. It will execute and do the appropriate action. There are mainly two types of DOS command: filled circle internal commands, filled circle external commands. 1. Internal commands. The internal commands are those commands that are automatically loaded in the memory. Some commonly used DOS internal commands are 1. CLs. The purpose of this command is to clear the display screen and redisplay the DOS prompt at the top left corner of the screen. 2. Dir. It displays the list of directories and files on the screen. 3. Date. It displays the current system date. User can also change the current date with new date by using this command. 4. Time. It displays the current system's time. User can also change existing time with new time by using this command. 5. Var. It displays the version of DOS being used currently. 6. Copycon. The purpose of this command is to create a file. 7. Type. Allows the user to see the contents of a file. 8. Ren. The purpose of this command is to rename the old file name with new file name. 9. Del. The purpose of this command is to delete file. The user can also delete multiple files by buzzing this command n, along with wildcards. 10. MD. The purpose of this command is to create a new directory or subdirectory, i.e. sub alternate to the currently logged directory. 11. CD. The purpose of this command is to change from one directory to another directory or sub-directory. Syntax: C greater than CD directory name. 12. Road. The purpose of this command is to remove a directory or subdirectory. If the user wants to remove a directory or subdirectory, then first delete all the files in the sub-directory and then remove subdirectory and remove empty main directory. 13. Copy. The purpose of this command is to copy one or more specified files to another disk with same file name or with 2. External commands. These commands are not permanent part of the memory. To execute or run these commands, an external file is required. Example: .x, bat. Some commonly used DOS external commands are 1. chkdsk. The command chsdk returns the configuration status of the selected disk. It returns the information about the volume, serial number, total disk space, space in directories, space in each allocation unit, total memory and free memory. 2. Disk copy. Disk copy command is used to make duplicate copy of the disk like Xerox copy. It first formats the target disk and then copies the files by collection from the source disk and copy it to the target disk. 3. Format. Format is used to erase information off of a computer diskette or fixed drive. 4. Label. This command is used to see volume label and to change volume label. 5. Scandisk. This utility is used to repair and check various disk errors. It also detects various physical disk errors and surface errors. 6. Move. The purpose of move is move to files from one place to another place. 7. Print. This command allowed users to print a text file to a line printer. 8. Tree. This command displays the list of directories and files on specified path using graphical display. It displays directories of files like a tree. 9. Del tree. This command is used to delete files or directories same as by the del and rd commands. This command is more useful than del and rd commands because it completely removes specified directories, i.e., disk will all its files and sub directories at a time.